The Game of Life and How to Play It by Florence Scovel Shinn is a self-help book that explores metaphysical and spiritual principles to guide individuals in living a more fulfilling and successful life. Let's break down the key lessons and concepts from the book, along with developed examples. 1. The power of thought and words. Thoughts and words have creative power and influence over our lives. Positive thoughts and affirmations can manifest positive outcomes. If you consistently think and affirm, "I am a magnet for abundance and success," you are more likely to attract opportunities for wealth and achievement. 2. The law of attraction. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. What you focus on and believe will come into your life. If you focus on thoughts of gratitude and abundance, you are more likely to attract situations and people that align with those positive feelings. 3. The law of karma. The law of karma suggests that our actions have consequences, and what we give comes back to us. If you consistently show kindness and generosity to others, you are likely to receive kindness and support when you need it most. Before we continue, welcome to Short Version, where we draw out the key concepts from each book published on the channel, in order to approach life and its many aspects from a greater perspective. Please take the time to thumbs up to support the channel and to subscribe for more content. Have a great listening. 4. Divine timing. Trust that there is divine timing at work in your life. Sometimes, things don't happen immediately, but they unfold when the timing is right. You may have a goal of starting a business, but it hasn't materialized yet. Trust that the universe is working on the best timing for you, and in the meantime, continue to prepare and learn. 5. Letting go and detachment. Detachment means not being overly attached to specific outcomes. Trust that the universe will provide what is best for you. If you're anxiously waiting for a job offer, practicing detachment involves surrendering the need to control the outcome. Trust that the right opportunity will come when it's meant to. 6. The power of visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting your desires. Create mental images of your goals and desires as if they've already been achieved. If you want to improve your health, visualize yourself feeling vibrant, strong, and healthy. This mental imagery can help bring your desired state into reality. 7. The importance of affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your beliefs and intentions. Regularly repeating affirmations can reprogram your subconscious mind. If you want to find love, you can use affirmations like, "I am worthy of a loving and fulfilling relationship," to shift your mindset and attract the right partner. 8. Overcoming fear. Fear can block your progress and manifestation. Confront and release your fears to move forward. If you have a fear of public speaking but aspire to become a confident speaker, confront your fear by taking small steps, such as joining a public speaking class. 9. Gratitude and appreciation. Gratitude and appreciation for what you have can attract more abundance and blessings into your life. Regularly express gratitude for your health, relationships, and opportunities. This gratitude mindset can open the door to more to be thankful for. 10. Faith and trust. Have faith and trust in the universe's plan for your life. Trust that everything is working out for your highest good. When faced with challenges or setbacks, maintain faith that these experiences are leading you toward growth and better opportunities. The Game of Life and How to Play It provides readers with practical insights and exercises to apply these metaphysical principles in their lives. It encourages individuals to take control of their thoughts, beliefs, and actions to manifest positive changes and live a more joyful and prosperous life. Don't hesitate to leave a comment about a book you'd like to see published. You can also contribute to the channel's growth by making a donation, and while you're waiting for the next audio, don't forget. Knowledge is nothing without understanding, which is nothing without application. Look forward to seeing you soon on the channel, Short Version.
Perfect.